Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to download and install Adobe Express on your Windows computer. This is a fantastic tool for creating quick graphics, social media posts, and visual content without needing advanced design skills. Let's walk through the installation process step by step. First, you'll need to access the Microsoft Store, which is where you'll download Adobe Express. To do this, click on the Windows search bar, which you'll typically find at the bottom left of your screen. This search bar is your gateway to finding applications and files on your computer quickly. Once you've clicked on the search bar, type Microsoft Store into it. As you type, you should see the Microsoft Store app appear in the search results. Go ahead and click on it to open the store. The Microsoft Store is Windows' official platform for downloading apps, games, and software safely. Now that you're inside the Microsoft Store, look at the top of the window where you'll see a search bar. Click on this search bar and type Adobe Express. Then hit Enter on your keyboard. This will pull up all the available results related to Adobe Express within the store. From the search results that appear, locate and click on Adobe Express. This will take you to the app's dedicated page where you can read more about its features and see what other users are saying about it. On the Adobe Express app page, you'll see a button labeled Get. Click on this button to begin the download process. Keep in mind that you'll need to wait for a few minutes while the app downloads and installs onto your computer. The time this takes can vary depending on your internet connection speed and your computer's performance, so just be patient during this step. Once the download and installation are complete, you'll see an Open button appear where the Get button previously was. Click Open to launch Adobe Express for the first time. This will start up the application and get you ready to begin using it. After opening the app, you'll be prompted to sign in with your Adobe account. If you already have an Adobe account from using other Adobe products or services, simply enter your credentials here. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to access all of Adobe Express's features. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Adobe Express on your Windows computer, and you're ready to start creating beautiful designs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.